Good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Hola, ciao, shalom. It's really, I'm delighted to be here with you today. My name is Omar. I work for Salesforce. I am probably the least technical guy in this room. I should be wondering why we are having this sales guy on stage here today. I'm here just to share really the perspective of Salesforce, to thank you, but also to uncover the Salesforce project for Morocco, but also for Africa today. So thank you guys for having us here today, and it's a real pleasure to be with you here. So first thing first, I'm not sure how to do that. Yeah, it's so the first message is basically thank you. Thank you first to these guys, Hussam, Doria, and Hakim, for really organizing this fantastic event here in Morocco. I remember I have some ex-colleagues, I see them here. Salesforce probably started in Morocco back in 2010, or even before. We had 2 people, 5 people working on Salesforce technology. Seeing 400 people in this room today is just a dream. So thank you for you guys. Thank you for Africa Dreaming. Thank you for the partners, for the sponsors. We, Salesforce, could not be here without you, so merci beaucoup. So today I'll try to make it really very simple, very slick, and also very straight to the point. We just had Dreamforce, right? Some of you attended Dreamforce a couple of weeks back. I would like just to give you a quick summary of what Salesforce is for those who are discovering the company, the platform. It's what we call a new day. We're living in really interesting times. It's a new day for business. It's a new day for the Trailblazers here today. It's a new day for Africa. And it's a new day as well for the Customer 360. So first things first, new business. So you guys know the story of Salesforce, right? So we are an American company founded back 23 years ago now. And we've been founded on really a couple of core values. Everything we do at Salesforce is driven by our core values, and those are trust, customer success, innovation, equality, and this year we've added a new value, sustainability. Trust is everything we do with our employees, with our communities, with our partners. In terms of customer success, you guys know Salesforce is based on subscription model, and we all here in this room need to make sure that our customers are successful with the Salesforce platform. And this is really key in terms of growth and in terms of also the perspective of the Salesforce platform globally. Innovation, we deliver 3 major releases every year on our core services. And we count on you guys to help these customers to absorb this fantastic amount of innovation within the platform. Equality is extremely important. Equality in gender, race, equal pay. This is very serious topic at Salesforce. Mark himself is measuring the equality piece. So this is something that also we have the mandate to make sure that this is flowing as well in these markets and in Africa as well. And the last topic, sustainability. You guys, I'm sure you know what's happening around the world. So we are also participating in doing well, doing good in this topic. And also we have released 2 years ago a new platform called Net Zero Cloud, which helps basically customers measure their carbon footprint. We are a net zero company, and we expect as well our customers and our partners to be a Salesforce company. So with these values basically, and with this fantastic business model, Salesforce today is clearly the leader in terms of CRM in the marketplace. But it's always fun really to just, a lot of people are asking us, right, in Morocco, in Africa, what you guys do. Do you do CRM? Okay, what is CRM? Is that sales? Is that service? Is that, and the best really way to describe this is really, sorry, yeah, it was probably better, is really to, probably move to the next slide, please, Hussam. Salesforce today is what we are a platform company. We have grown so much the last 24 years. We acquired multiple companies. I'm sure, guys, you know, for those who have been here for a long time, you know the stories about Exact Target, Demandware, Velocity, Slack. All of these new innovations are now part of the Salesforce platform. And today, we are able to address any customer globally, regardless of the size, regardless of the industry, thanks to the Salesforce platform. This could be, of course, for customers, but also for employees and for partners as well. And this is where we are today. I think all of this have fueled the sustainable growth of Salesforce over the last couple of years. We grew at Salesforce 25% year over year. This year, I think this is public, those are public numbers. Our goal this year is to hit $31 billion, and we have a path towards $50 billion company. I'm not sure if you know, guys, how many employees you know work at Salesforce? Do you have any idea? 70,000. 78,000. Okay. Another guess? We are 85,000 employees today at Salesforce. And we have the path to move to the 100K employees in the next couple of months. Okay? And this is really, again, this is just the demonstration and the reflection of our customer success and your success here in this room. So Africa, why Africa? I mean, this is really something that's really close to my heart. So Salesforce recently, we have decided basically to take the African market very seriously. And today, Salesforce, I'm really delighted to announce that today, we are investing in Africa. We are tripling our people, our investments in Africa today. Why is that? Because we believe that Africa is a fantastic continent when it comes to the opportunities, when it comes to the tech talent pool, when it comes really to all the infrastructure, when it comes really to the urbanization. It's really a fantastic, I think, continent to invest in. And today, Salesforce has decided really to address this market very seriously. And the good news is that we're going to do it partially from Morocco, and this is why we are here. We're going to focus on key countries on the continent. So this has a project called Africa Growth Markets, and it's basically all Africa except South Africa, because South Africa is a great, I would say, market for Salesforce. And it's addressed with a different leadership and a different go-to-market. But the key countries we're going to focus on are Morocco, Kenya, Nigeria, and Mauritius as really priority one. We're also going to address Senegal, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Angola, Tunisia, and Egypt as well. Okay? So those are the countries. You're waiting for Egypt? And we can do that only with Salesforce. We need to rely on our partners and our communities to do that. So the partners here, and we have also others, are really key to addressing this key continent. So we are listing here Capgemini, Deloitte, DNA, and NBS. And we count as well on our community and here to build that market with us. And also when we talk about the partners, we talk about the community, of course. Hussam say Trailblazer, right? What is Trailblazer? What is Trailhead? So, by the way, who is Ranger in this room? Just raise your hand. Okay, of course. Okay, third of the room. So Trailhead is an enablement platform that we've created back in 2018, 2017. And basically, 14. Okay, well, thank you. So that was even longer than that. And basically, it allows really our communities, our customers, our employees really to learn the Salesforce platform, but also learn other skills, soft skills, business skills on the Salesforce on the Salesforce Trailhead platform. And this is an economy today. I mean, those numbers are just phenomenal. We are projecting an impact of $1.6 trillion in the next couple of years, which is really phenomenal. We are counting on this ecosystem of partners, of communities, of course, ISVs, who are really present in our App Exchange platform. And this ecosystem as well in Africa. Today in Africa, we have more than 50,000 trailblazers who live and breathe on the African soil. We have the projection and the ambition to move to 100K trailblazers in the next 4 years. Okay? And I guess those are really on those key markets and key countries that we're going to address. We are forming partnerships, for instance, with universities in Nairobi. We are talking to different education entities in Nigeria. We're talking to education also companies here in Morocco. So we cannot, of course, grow. We cannot succeed together without the pool, the tech talent pool. So we will count as well on your help to make sure that you guys are the trailblazers in this continent. And the last thing is really about this customer 360. You know, Salesforce, guys, has evolved. But again, something that we have announced recently at Dreamforce is Salesforce Genie. And we have a lot of questions around, okay, what is that? Is that a CDP? Is that an AI? Is that an Einstein type of technology? So basically, the best way to describe Genie, if you move that to the next slide. So we have reimagined, again, the architecture of Salesforce. You can just move to the next slide to make, yeah, next one, please. So we have rebuilt the Salesforce platform with an underlying infrastructure called Hyperforce. So Hyperforce, we are bringing the magic of Salesforce on public clouds, such as Amazon Web Services. On the top of that, we have added transactional database on the cloud, and of course, an Einstein AI platform and flow automation on the top of that. And on top of everything, we have our world-class clouds. I'm sure you guys, they're familiar with Sales Cloud, Service, Marketing, Commerce, Experience Cloud, etc., etc. And basically, Genie is, we are going to make the platform real-time. We are adding a real-time hyperscale data platform. Sorry, if you can just go back. Sorry, thank you. Hyperscale data platform, natively in the platform. We're making Einstein even more real-time when it comes to predictive, when it comes to the next best actions, and also making flow real-time when it comes to streaming the events as well. And all of this basically will work in the following way. So basically, it starts with the data. So any data you guys have or at your customers, whether it's first-party data, mobile data, portal data, even historical data and transactional data on core systems like banking, like travel, we basically ingest, we harmonize, we have built harmonization engine within Genie, which allows basically to build this single customer view of the individual with compliance, privacy built in. And on top of that, we release this intelligence of data to engage with these customers and with these partners through our technologies. So it's basically giving the real insight when it comes to an agent on a contact center or having sales bots or. So we have multiple that. And those are delivered on those kind of experiences on the platform. The good news is that Genie is built in and it's across all the Salesforce technologies, whether it's B2B, B2C, but also on all the industries that we are proposing, such as Financial Services Cloud. I mean, you guys probably know all the velocity aspects. All of this is built right into the platform, and it's accessible through all the technology. With that being said, thank you very much for your attention, for your time. Really appreciate that. I'm happy to have any questions if you have them.